Hi, this is Monica with Durham County Library. This is our Totally Teen Short Video of the Week. This week I'm recommending 4 craft books from our nonfiction section, and we also have some craft books online that you could check out on Overdrive or Libby and on Hoopla. The first book I recommend is called Take a Ball of String, 16 Beautiful Projects for Your Home by Jemima Schlee. I'm going to try 2 projects in here that don't involve knitting or crocheting. I'm just learning how to crochet, and there's a section in the back of the book called Techniques that show you how to knit and crochet in detail. So if you are interested in trying the rest of the crafts in this book, you can look at that section. The next book I recommend is called No Sew Love, 50 Fun Projects to Make Without a Needle and Thread by Ashley Johnston. Right now there's no sewing machines to be had unless you have a lot of money, so this book caught my interest. I'm going to try on page 116 the basic tote. There's no sewing, just like the title says. And this book has all kinds of other cool crafts you can make, and you don't need to know how to sew. There's a skirt, there's headbands, there's keychains, there's all kinds of stuff you can make, placemats. It's got, like it says, 50 fun projects. The next book I recommend is called Scissors Paper Craft, 30 Pretty Projects All Cut, Folded, and Crafted from Paper by Christine Leach. The project on page 38, Japanese bound notebooks, looks really cool, and there's also one on page 50 called Floral Gift Box Garland. The fourth book I recommend is called Supercraft, Easy Projects for Every Weekend by Sophie Pester and Katharina Brenz. Great 52 ideas. On page 80, there's the furoshiki bag. It says sew a scarf and make leather straps. And then I made a different version of the handy key ring. On page 55, I actually did this around my phone charge cord, and I'm going to show you the instructions on how to do that right now. I wrapped my phone charge cord with leather string, and then I also started a second one with the instructions you can see here with yarn that's like ombre, multicolored in blue. You tie it on once, just one loop, then you go under the phone cord, over, and through. And just keep tying. I did it while I was watching a movie, and just don't do it too tight because you'll get a blister on your finger like I did. But as you can see, the knots start to go around the cord, and it looks really cool. At the end, you're going to want to tie it off and add a little dot of glue to the end of the string and tie it in a couple knots. That way it won't come undone.